Hi, I'm Skylar St. Ledger, and I'm doing the Arduino 101 course. So hopefully by the end of this class you'll know what Arduino is and be able to program it. So first of all, how many of you have ever heard of Arduino? Okay. How many of you ever used Arduino? Okay, so I see everybody should hopefully learn something. So in this we'll go over what exactly Arduino is. We'll then go over the IDE, or the Integrated Development Environment for programming it. We'll do some examples of programming, and later on I'll tell you a place where you can go to learn more from here. So what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source electronics prototyping platform. It has it's based off the Atmel ATmega 8 series. The current Arduino Unos, they use the ATmega 328, which has 32 kilobytes of memory. It may not sound like a lot, but it's big enough to store a lot of code. And most Arduinos are 8-bit, except for the Dewey, which is 32-bit, except that's advanced and we won't cover it. It's open source hardware and software. The IDE is open source, and the Arduino board itself is also open source. So if you want, you can integrate the Arduino board into your project. If you're building something, you can maybe do it. Or there are also Arduino derivatives like this Boarduino that is based off the Arduino. You can use with the Arduino IDE, but what the person did who made is they took the design files and they modified it because it's open source. So this is the Arduino Uno, and this is the board in real life. It's not that huge. So it uses a USB port, but the thing about it is that when you get it from Arduino or wherever you buy it, it's not gonna be, you can't use it like a keyboard or a mouse, but what it's gonna be instead is it's gonna be a virtual COM port, or it's gonna act like a serial port, but it uses USB, so you don't need to have a USB to serial adapter or something like that. Up here is the reset switch, and what that does is use it to reset the microcontroller to maybe like test it or for programming. This is the main ATmega 328 here. That's